In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy a backend on AWS. First, go to your AWS account and open the main dashboard. Then choose where your backend will run, such as an EC2 instance, Elastic Beanstalk, or even a container service depending on your project structure. If you want a simple option to start with, EC2 is usually one of the most common choices. Next, create the server, choose the operating system, and configure the access key to log into the machine. After that, open the necessary ports in the security group, such as your API port and the SSH port for remote access. Now connect to the server using SSH and install everything your backend needs, like Node.js, Python, Java, or any other technology used in the project. Once the environment is ready, upload your backend files to the server or clone the project from GitHub. Then install the dependencies, set up the environment variables, and start the application. To keep the backend running, even after closing the terminal, you can use a process manager like PM2. If you want to make the API more secure and professional, it is also a good idea to configure Nginx as a reverse proxy and connect a domain. Finally, test the public server address to make sure the backend is running correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy a backend on AWS easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.